Hello everyone, and welcome to our deep dive into the fascinating world of wealth. Today, we're going on a journey to explore every level of wealth, from basic financial dependency to ultimate financial abundance. Get ready to transform your understanding of money and discover the path to true financial freedom. Have you ever wondered what truly separates the financially struggling from the financially secure? It's not just about how much money you have, but how you manage it, grow it, and ultimately, how it impacts your life and the lives of others. We'll break down the distinct stages of wealth, giving you clear insights into where you stand and where you can go. Before we dive into the levels, let's establish a foundational understanding. What exactly is wealth? It's more than just a big bank account. Wealth, in its truest sense, is the accumulation of valuable financial assets or physical possessions, which can be converted into a form that can be used to purchase goods and services. It provides security, opportunity, and the ability to live life on your own terms. And why is it important? Because it empowers you to pursue your dreams, support your loved ones, and contribute meaningfully to the world around you. Our journey will take us through 7 distinct levels of wealth, from the initial struggle of financial dependency, where every penny counts, to the ultimate state of financial abundance, where your wealth can impact generations. Each level builds upon the last, offering a roadmap for progress. We'll explore the characteristics of each stage, common challenges, and most importantly, actionable strategies to ascend to the next level. This isn't just theory. It's a practical guide to transforming your financial life. So buckle up, and let's begin our exploration. Our first stop is Level 1, Financial Dependency. This is where many people start. It's characterized by living paycheck to paycheck, often with little to no savings, and relying heavily on external sources for financial support, whether it's family, loans, or credit cards. Debt can be a significant burden here, and unexpected expenses can quickly lead to crisis. To move beyond this stage, the key is to create a budget, track your spending diligently, and identify areas where you can cut back. Even small changes can make a big difference. The goal is to gain control over your cash flow and start building a small financial cushion. This is the foundation upon which all other levels are built. Next, we move to Level 2, Financial Solvency. At this level, you're able to cover your basic monthly expenses without relying on debt, and you might even have a small amount of savings. You're no longer living paycheck to paycheck, but you still have limited financial wiggle room. Achieving solvency means mastering your budget, eliminating high-interest debt like credit card balances, and consistently saving a portion of your income, no matter how small. It's about ensuring your income consistently exceeds your expenses, creating a positive cash flow. This stage brings a sense of relief and control, setting the groundwork for greater financial stability. Level 3 is Financial Stability. Here, you've established a solid emergency fund, typically covering 3 to 6 months of essential living expenses. This fund acts as a buffer against unexpected events like job loss, medical emergencies, or car repairs, preventing you from falling back into debt. You're also consistently saving and investing, even if it's a modest amount, and you're actively working to pay down any remaining debt, such as student loans or a mortgage. Financial stability means you have a sense of security and control, allowing you to breathe easier and plan for the future without constant worry about financial setbacks. A crucial element of financial stability is building a robust emergency fund. This isn't just about having some extra cash, it's about having a dedicated safety net. Think of it as your personal financial insurance policy. Start by calculating your essential monthly expenses: rent, utilities, food, transportation. Then, aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of that amount in an easily accessible, separate savings account. This fund should only be used for true emergencies. Automate your savings by setting up regular transfers from your checking account to your emergency fund. Consistency is key here. Even small, regular contributions will add up over time and provide immense peace of mind. Another vital step at this stage is managing debt effectively. While financial solvency focuses on eliminating high-interest consumer debt, financial stability involves strategic management of all debt, including mortgages and student loans. This means understanding your interest rates, considering debt consolidation where beneficial, and creating a clear plan for accelerated debt repayment. The less money you're paying in interest, the more you have available to save and invest. For example, if you have a student loan, research repayment strategies like the debt snowball or avalanche method. The goal is to minimize interest payments and free up more of your income for wealth-building activities. Moving on to Level 4, Financial Security. At this stage, your emergency fund is even more robust, ideally covering 6 to 12 months of expenses. But more importantly, you've started actively investing beyond just your emergency fund. This means contributing consistently to retirement accounts like 401ks and IRAs, and possibly even a brokerage account. You're leveraging the power of compound interest, where your money starts working for you. The focus here shifts from just saving to growing your assets through strategic investments. You're building a diversified portfolio that aligns with your risk tolerance and long-term financial goals, ensuring a steady path towards greater wealth. Level 5 is financial independence. This is a game changer. At this level, your passive income, earnings from investments, rental properties, dividends, or other sources that don't require active work, is sufficient to cover all of your living expenses. You no longer need to work a traditional job to maintain your lifestyle, giving you immense freedom and flexibility. This doesn't mean you stop working, but rather that you have the choice. Achieving financial independence often involves substantial investment portfolios, real estate holdings, or successful businesses that generate consistent income streams. It's about reaching a point where your money truly works for you, freeing up your time and energy for what truly matters. Level 6 brings us to financial freedom. Beyond merely covering your living expenses, at this level, your passive income significantly exceeds your needs, allowing for luxuries, charitable giving, and pursuing passions without financial constraint. You have the resources to travel extensively, indulge in hobbies, support causes you believe in, and invest in opportunities that excite you. Financial freedom means having the financial capacity to live life on your own terms, without compromise, and to contribute to society in meaningful ways that extend beyond your immediate needs. It's about living a life of abundance and impact, fueled by smart financial decisions made over time. Finally, we reach level 7, financial abundance, also known as financial legacy. This is the pinnacle of wealth, where your accumulated assets are so substantial that they can create generational wealth, supporting your family for decades or even centuries to come. It's about impacting society on a grand scale through significant philanthropic endeavors, establishing foundations, or investing in initiatives that drive positive change. Financial abundance is not just about personal wealth. It's about leveraging your resources to create a lasting, positive impact on the world, leaving a legacy that extends far beyond your lifetime. It's the ultimate expression of financial mastery and purposeful living. And there you have it. Every level of wealth broken down into understandable stages. From dependency to abundance, each level represents a significant milestone on your financial journey. Remember, wealth building is not a sprint, but a marathon. It requires discipline, continuous learning, and strategic decision-making. No matter where you are on this spectrum, the most important step is to start. Start budgeting, start saving, start investing, and keep learning. The path to financial freedom is within your reach. And by understanding these levels, you're now equipped with the knowledge to ascend to your desired financial future. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and here's to your continued financial success.